beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we have some brand new glow from Huda Beauty. We have a bunch of new products from her Nymph line. We're going to be taking a close-up look at these products. I'm going to show you swatches, I'm going to show you an application demo, I'm going to give you prices, the whole scoop. All of these products are currently available, however, not everything is on the Sephora site. I don't know if they just already sold out, but I couldn't find a few of these products listed at all on the Sephora website. So some of them you can find at Sephora, but quite a few of these products I could only find listed for sale on the Huda website. But I'll link everything down in the description below, just like I always do. If you're interested in any of these, they are all currently available right now. First, let's talk about the brushes that released with these products. There are two different brushes here. This more rounded, very dense brush is the Face Skin Perfector brush. It's priced at $31. Then we have this more fluffy, long, tapered brush. This is the Cheek Blush and Glow brush. That's harder to say than you think. And this one's priced at $27. Both of these brushes have synthetic bristles, so no animal hair on these brushes. And you'll get to see me use the Blush and Glow brush in the demo portion. First, let's talk about the Nymph Body Drip. This is a shimmery oil and the shade is Bronze Utopia. It only comes in one shade right now. This is quite a large bottle. It's 100 milliliters. And it's priced at $49. This shade may be a little bit too deep for me. I'm just not very tan, so I could maybe see using this on like my arms and legs, but this may be even just a little bit too dark for me. It has very sturdy packaging. This feels like a glass bottle, and I like the sprayer on here. A lot of these body oils don't have amazing sprayers, but this actually does spritz out sort of like a perfume. It does give a little bit of a mist effect, which seems like it would be easier to apply to a large part of your body like legs. I do want to point out that this product in particular is pretty heavily fragranced. It reminds me of a more toned down version of the Kayali Deja Vu scent. It is sort of a spa, florally soap type of smell. That's not really my preferred fragrance. I would probably prefer this to have more of that like coconutty suntan lotion type of scent, but you know, to each their own. Just wanted to give you the heads up on that in case you are somebody that reacts to fragrance, because this is quite scented. Now let's talk about the Nymph Glaze. There are 3 shades in this product. These are priced at $35 US a piece, and there is 9 grams of product in here. These are all a plastic outer packaging with this sort of frosty look on the front. You can see through here, so you can tell there's no mirror inside with these products. I'll show you a little swatch of all 3 side by side on my arm. That way you can see what these look like really applied to the skin, because when you see them in the pan, it's hard to tell since they are so shimmery and reflective. The lightest shade, which is the one that suits me the best with my very pale skin, is called Luna. This is sort of a champagne-y gold color. Our medium shade is Aphrodite. This one's gonna look great on more tanned medium skin, even like lighter brown skin. And then we have the deepest shade, Juno, which is a really nice warm golden bronze color. These are a cream product, but after I applied, I didn't feel like it was very tacky on my skin. If you have an oilier skin type, I would recommend going over with a powder or powder highlight or something. but I didn't feel like this was super greasy, slippy, slidey all over. And I applied with my fingertip, which I'll show you a little demo of me applying the shade Luna to my cheeks. I felt like this went on really easily, it blended in really easily, and one of the claims for this product is that it can be used as a glowy base or a glowy primer, and it claims to have a blurring effect, which just reading that, I kind of didn't really buy it. How can a cream highlighter have a blurring effect? But I really felt like it did. It blended in so well into my skin that I really did feel like I almost got that little blurring effect from it. So I have to say, of all the things we're looking at today, this glaze is my favorite. I can also see this working really well on other parts of the body, especially because the shimmering oil is probably going to be a little too deep for me. I could see using either the lightest shade Luna or the mid-tone shade Aphrodite on my shoulders or even on my chest for a little bit of a highlighter. I think that would be really cute. I think there's a lot of versatility in this product. The formula is really nice, easy to work with, blends and melts right into the skin, and I just think it's really lovely. I'm a big fan of cream products, getting that casually sweaty, glowy look. This really gives that to me, so no surprise that I really enjoy this one. The last product I'm going to talk about today is this little glowy blush. This is the Kiss Glow blush. It only comes in this one shade and it's priced at $39 US. Pretty pricey for a little blush if you ask me, but it is very beautiful. We're getting that geometric rose print stamped into the powder that we've seen previously from Huda. This is definitely a beautiful showpiece. I'm a sucker for compacts like this, so the powder collector in me is really thriving with this powder. Similar sort of packaging that we saw on the Glaze products. I'll give you a little size comparison here just so that you can get a feel. The blush is quite a bit smaller than the little creamy highlighters. Now, I did apply this using that blush brush on top of my cheeks after applying the shade Luna from the Nymph Glaze. And I think it looks fine. It's a little bit too bright bubblegummy pink just for my personal taste. It looks cute. It's more of a highlighter than a blush in my opinion. Now, these brighter pink type of shades, they do tend to be flattering across a lot of skin tones. So if you're only gonna do one, I suppose this is a good choice. It's just personally, I prefer something just a little bit less bright. So if there was a more mauve-y pink, like a mauve rose type of color, or even a more terracotta pink, I would probably prefer a shade like that just due to my own personal preference. But I think this is pretty. I do see this working on a lot of people and it's a beautiful showpiece. When I saw this shade in person, I couldn't help but be reminded of this. Does anybody remember the Smashbox and Vlada MUA Petal Metal collection? The Petal Metal highlighter in the shade Prismatic Petal was the first thing that I thought of when I saw this little blush. Very similar type of color. When you see them side by side, I'm sure you can tell why that was my thought. So I thought we could do just a little side by side swatch test to compare them. Anytime I post a picture of this Petal Metal highlighter on Instagram, people ask about it and want to get it. So this could be a good stand-in if you're feeling the FOMO from the Petal Metal collection. Okay, so this is the Huda one, and this is the Smashbox one. Oh yeah, I mean, those are pretty much the same thing. So that pretty much confirms it. If you missed out on the Prismatic Petal highlighter from the Petal Metal collection, then definitely snag this little Kiss blush because it's the same color and it's still super beautiful. It's got that floral print and everything, so there you go. Got you a dupe. Currently available. The Huda one might even be a little bit brighter, but also my Petal Metal one is like several years old, so that's probably contributing as well. I think all of these products seem really nice. I'm a big fan of just glow in general, head to toe glow. You want to put a highlighter in your hair, you want to put a highlighter on your ankles. I'm all about that. You know what? It's the summertime. If you just want to be glowy knees and glowy elbows, I like it. I'm here for it. And I think that these are some really great products. I do have a favorite, and that's the Nymph Glaze, this cream highlighter. For the price, I think that this has the most versatility. It's the one I'm going to use the most, and it's the only one that comes in multiple shades. So I think everybody's going to be able to find a shade that they like. I think everybody's going to be able to find a use for this no matter what your skin type is. So this is my favorite of the new Nymph Glow products. But now's the time when I want to hear what you think about these. Have you tried them? Are they on your wish list? Are you picking up that prismatic petal dupe? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. It's okay. Let's just go with it. Let's just go with it. How much time? I gotta go pick my kid up soon. Hurry, hurry. Squeeze me. Squeeze me. I mean, this like blue purple eyeshadow look, I don't know who I think I am, but she's sultry. I mean, I am serving you Jessica Rabbit all day with this eye look. If Jessica Rabbit had a messy bun and a Queen t-shirt. That's kind of my vibe. Okay. Focus, 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 focus. All right. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. I feel like I've reached my final form with this intensely purple eyeshadow and intensely casually sweaty cheek. I don't think we're borderline not casually sweaty anymore. This is like formally sweaty. Okay, I don't know. My apologies. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for bringing that little beautiful face of yours around to the channel. And I hope that you'll bring it back again soon, because I love to see it. I love to see your face. And, okay, bye.